Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're diving into the ultimate fence maintenance checklist: monthly, quarterly, and annual tasks to keep your fence in perfect shape. Let's start with your monthly tasks. These quick checks prevent small problems from getting worse. Inspect for damage, clean the fence from debris, and test your gate's latch for smooth operation. These simple steps can help prolong your fence's life. Next up, your quarterly tasks. Every 3 months, give your fence a deeper clean. Use a mild detergent to scrub off mildew or stains from wood and remove rust from metal fences. Don't forget to trim any vegetation growing near your fence to avoid moisture buildup, which can weaken the wood or metal. Lastly, check the foundation of your fence posts to ensure they're stable, especially after storms or heavy rainfall. And now, for your annual tasks. Once a year, it's time for the big maintenance jobs. Repaint or restain wooden fences to protect them from the elements, and apply a rust preventative sealant to metal fences. Check your fence for termite damage or signs of decay. A thorough inspection now can prevent costly repairs later. Let's recap. Monthly, inspect, clean, and test gates. Quarterly, deep clean and trim vegetation. Annually, repaint or restain and inspect for structural damage. By following this maintenance checklist, your fence will last for many years to come. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.